Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to watch Peacock on Spectrum. Now, Spectrum TV, okay, the select customers can actually access Peacock Premium at no extra cost, right? So you need to basically just check eligibility. Ensure you have a Spectrum TV account first. Just select a package. These includes Select Plus, Gold, or silver, right? And just activate Peacock. So you go to prextrum.com/get app to activate your Peacock premium subscription. You just download the app, right? Go ahead and download that, and you can just download it on your chosen streaming device. Your Streambox, Apple TV, whatever it is. Just log in with your Spectrum credentials, and you can start streaming and enjoy your Peacock Premium with ads. Okay? Hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. I'll see you in the next one.